Chapter 12, Company Activities. In this chapter, you'll learn how QuickBooks handles transactions at the year end. Specifically in this chapter, you'll learn how to customize form templates, file the annual sales tax return, and enter general journal entries. Customizing form templates. As your business grows, you may want to add more customization in QuickBooks. You can customize the style of invoices, sales receipts, and estimates. On these forms, you can control which data entry fields are available. QuickBooks also lets you add, remove, and customize items like the logo, column widths, fonts, and much more. You can add new templates as needed. You may need to customize a template for a customer, industry type, or whatever specific needs your company has. To add a new style or customize an existing one, click the gear icon and then click Custom Form Styles. In this example, we'll create a new style. Click New Style. Choose the custom form style. After choosing the style, QuickBooks opens the customization window. There are 4 or 5 areas that you can customize. Click Design to edit one of these areas. On the Design tab, you can start with a template that QuickBooks provides for you. Click Dive in with a template. First, edit the template name. Next, choose your template style. After choosing your template, QuickBooks displays the corresponding image on the right side of the window. Next, you have the option of adding a logo from your computer. You can also choose the size and placement for the logo. Next, click Splash on some color to change the color templates. Click your color and the template preview will reflect the selection you make. Alternatively, you can enter a color number in the field to match your template with a specific color. Next, click Get Choosy with your font and choose the font. Finally, click When in Doubt, Print it out to edit the margins of your template. Next, at the top of the window, click Content. The template displays on the right side of the window in a grayed out format. There are 3 sections to edit: header, the body, and footer. Click the header to start editing the content in this section. Select the options available to add to the header. Uncheck any items to remove them from the header portion of the template. In the form section, you can edit the title of the form. In the display section, select or deselect all the information you want to display on the template. This will depend on the type of industry that you work in and the type of information displayed on your sales transactions. Click the body of the template to edit the body or description of the form. QuickBooks displays a new set of customization options. In this section, you can add or remove columns, reorder columns left to right, and edit the column labels and widths. Select the column options on the left-hand column. Drag and drop the icon next to the column title to reorder them. Click Edit Labels and Widths. Here you can edit the title of the column to customize it around your business. You can also drag the slider option to edit the width of the column. The template will adjust accordingly. Finally, click the footer to edit the footer information on the template. Edit the fields to display the messages and other information for the customer. Filing sales tax. Filing sales tax is a 2-part process. First, you prepare your sales tax return in QuickBooks. Second, you close your filing period in QuickBooks and record the payment to the CRA. The payment portion will be done outside of QuickBooks, but must be recorded in QuickBooks as well. Step 1. Prepare your return. From the navigation bar, click Sales Tax. Click the Returns tab, and then click Prepare Return. QuickBooks displays the return for you. After reviewing your sales tax return, if you're ready to file the return, click Mark as Filed. QuickBooks marks all of the transactions in the period as filed. Next, click Continue. Now, click Record Payment to pay the sales tax liability in QuickBooks. Enter the appropriate payment information, including the payment date, the payment amount, which should match the amount that you have due, and enter a memo if necessary. Click Save to complete the sales tax filing process. Make journal entries. At the end of your fiscal year, QuickBooks automatically closes out your income and expense accounts and makes the necessary adjustments to the retained earnings account. If you need to do additional journal entries, you can make them using the Journal Entry window. To make a journal entry, click the Create menu and then click Journal Entry. Enter the date of the transaction. Then enter the debit and credit amounts. Enter any memos if necessary. Repeat for each line of the entry. Finally, click Save to record your journal entry.